Here we will see the different types of validations. Means to provide some restrictions on a specified text box. For example, to name text box, only characters should be allowed. If you press any number, it should display the message only characters allowed. So how to make this validation? Only characters allowed for name text box, and for salary only numbers allowed. We will see the numeric as well as characters validation. See, through ASCII values we can just complete this code. To find out the ASCII value for number keys, just have a blank form. To know the ASCII value for each and every key of a keyboard, you can use this method. See, select the event key press on form load and just display message box key ASCII. We will just change the startup object form 14. Okay, run the form. See here, if you press 0, see 48 is the ASCII value for 0 key on keyboard. In this way, if you press 1, 49 for 9, 57, means ASCII value for number keys are 48 to 57, and for alphabets 97 to 122. For small letters and capital letters there are different ASCII values. See, 65 to 90, the characters range is 65 to 90, and from 97 to 122. See, if you press A and last key, that is Z, 122. For numbers 48 to 57. So we have just checked the ASCII values for the keys which are available on keyboard. Now we will just use these numbers on particular text box. Just double click on this text box. By default a change event is there. Instead of change, select key press event. See, key press. And so we have to check the number keys is pressed or not on this text box. So number key is from if key ASCII greater than or equals to 48 and key ASCII less than equal to 57, then message box only characters allowed and key ASCII equal to 0, means it should be blank. So this validation we have to write on the text characters text box, and for number text box we have to check, once again change the event to key press. Now we have to check here whether the character keys are pressed or not. So if key ASCII greater than or equals to 65 and key ASCII less than or equals to 90, and one more range we have for capital letters and small letters, that is key ASCII greater than or equals to 97 and key ASCII less than or equals to 122. This is the range for characters lowercase and uppercase. Message box only numbers allowed and key ASCII equal to 0. Just we will see the preview, it is working or not. Form startup object to form 13. Now run the form. See here, if you press numbers, see only characters allowed. It will not accept any number on this text box. You can type any character. On salary, if you enter number, no message, but if you press the character, you will notice here only numbers allowed. In this way, we can apply for each and every text box the concept of ASCII values for checking the characters and numbers pressed on a particular text box. Here we complete the complete database concept. The next topic we have to see is ActiveX EXE and DLL. Thanks a lot for watching